Okay, listen. You've got an Apple iPhone. You've got the iPad. You've got AirPods, and you even have an Apple Watch. Guess what else you can have? You can have an Apple savings account with a 4.15 annual percentage rate, okay? Apple just announced yesterday that they have a Goldman Sachs issued savings account that has a 4.15 percentage rate. That's more than 10 times the national average. There's no minimum fees, no minimum deposits, and no minimum balance requirements. And savers can easily set up and manage their savings account directly from the Apple Card in their wallet. Now here's where it gets real good. You can take that savings and buy Apple shares. You can own the products, use the services, and now you can punch it up and own the company. This would provide you with Apple interest from the savings account, Apple capital gains from the growth of the company, and Apple dividends from being a shareholder of the Apple stock, all right? All of these are passive forms of income. If you want more information like this, like and subscribe to my channel. It helps the channel grow and helps reach more people so they can start to invest more, just like me. Now, let's get back to Apple, all right? You like them enough to buy their products? Here's some reasons to buy their stock. All right, Apple has strong financial performance, period. They have consistently delivered strong financial results and have a history of growing their revenue and profit margins. They've got a wide range of Apple products, like I mentioned earlier, iPhones, iPads, watches, Macs, all of that, and all of their services. This helps to minimize market fluctuation, meaning somebody is either using their products, buying their products, or using their services somewhere in the world. They've got great brand recognition, and their customer loyalty is off the charts. Apple is one of the most recognizable and valuable brands in the world, with a loyal customer base that's willing to pay a premium for its products and bash Android users. Apple is known for its innovative products and features, which help to keep the company ahead of its competitors. As far as their returns, Apple has a strong track record of returning value to its shareholders through either share buybacks and providing dividends. Is this enough to help you consider owning Apple, the company? I always tell people, if you're going to use the products, own the company. If you're going to use the products, own the company. Apple is one of the companies that I bring up all the time when I'm talking to people about this. I hope this has been helpful for you, and I hope you consider owning the company as well as using the products. Remember, brown girls trade too. I'm going to have a bite of it.